the snowstorm. It's getting cold outside. The wind is blowing. There is a nip in the air. Jamal and Isa run into the house. They get their coats. They come back outside while flakes begin to fall. Jamal and Isa open their mouths. They catch snow on their tongues. The snow begins to fall fast. It falls faster and faster. The snow gets deep. It gets deeper and deeper. The wind blows harder. It gets colder and colder. Yama and Isa go into the house. It feels good to be warm.
Why do Jamal and Isha go into the house? What happens after Jamal and Isha go outside with their coats on? Snow starts to fall. How did Jamal and Isha feel about being out in the snow? What does "there was a nip in the air" mean? It was cold outside. Before the snow gets deep,